In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts list to GoHighLevel. Before we begin, make sure your contact list is saved as a CSV file and that the column headers are clear, like first name and last name. A clean, well-formatted file will make the import smoother and reduce errors. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard and head over to the contacts section. This is where all your people live and where imports are managed. Once you're in contacts, look for the import option and click it. You'll be taken into the import wizard. When prompted to choose what you're importing, select contacts so the system knows you're bringing in people rather than other data types. Then click. Next, to move forward, now it's time to add your file. Click the area to upload a CSV and select your prepared list from your computer. Give the platform a moment to read it. If your file uses a header row, the system will try to recognize those labels, which helps with the next step. When the file is ready, click Next. You'll see a mapping screen that aligns columns from your CSV to fields inside GoHighLevel. On each field line, click Select to tell the system what that column represents. For the first relevant column, choose First Name, so your contacts' first names land in the correct place. Then move to the next relevant column, click, select again, and choose Last Name. Take a moment to ensure each mapped field matches the data in that column. Accurate mapping here prevents messy records later. When you're satisfied with the mappings, click Next. You'll see a confirmation related to permissions and compliance. Check the box confirming that everyone in this import has consented to hear from you, that you've contacted them within the past year, and that the list is not sourced from a third party. This is essential for maintaining deliverability and staying compliant with communication regulations. With that confirmed, click Start Bulk Import. GoHighLevel will begin processing your file in the background. Larger lists may take a bit longer, so don't worry if it doesn't finish instantly. When the import completes, your new contacts will appear in the contacts area. It's a good idea to spot check a few records to confirm first and last names are in the right fields and that everything looks consistent. That's it. Your contacts are now in GoHighLevel and ready for your workflows, campaigns, and outreach.